What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bobby Thrift back again with another video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the world. About to hit this Ross up and see if we can find anything for Amazon or eBay. If you like what you see, hit the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe, you dig? Let's go ahead and see what's inside here. We'll grab a cart later. Hey, how you doing today? So I'm just gonna go ahead and walk around for a second and see what's good. I'm not gonna grab a cart unless I find some items. Let's see, women's, let me see. That's outerwear. This jacket just stood out to me real quick. I wanted to check it out. Nothing there in particular. Let's hit the men's shoes since it's all the way in the back. We got the athletics over here, men's athletic, and then, you know, things of that nature. So let's get to it. They actually changed this format around. Shoes used to be in the back over there. They changed it around now, so I think it's like right here, which is weird. Just gotta get used to it. So let's go ahead and see if there's any shoes here. They definitely switched this up. And I don't like the new format. But it doesn't matter what I like. Whoa, hold up. How much are these? So we got these champion slides right here. These blue ones. Let's go ahead and check them out. 20 in the stores. I think these are in Foot Locker right now for like 80, 90 bucks. I need to look this up and see. Colorful champion shoes. If they had the box, I would consider them. Nope. Over here, some more champion slides, $22 on those. We've seen these, not very promising for us. Leave those alone. Looks like there's nothing really here for the shoes. These look a little different. Some type of weird Vans, 29 bucks. Have you guys ever seen these before? If you know, let me know. Never seen these before in my life. What kind of shoes are these? I feel like this might be something to not pass up, but I am. So, look at this. No sales rank. However, I mean, somebody got it there for $82. Is that something to take a chance on? Damn, that's crazy. Never seen these before. Have you ever sold them? If you have, let me know in the comments below. But $20 for this might not be bad. I'm gonna look up Keeper just to see if there's any. And something's been happening with my Amazon app and everything. Have you guys been having technical difficulties or anything like that? If you have been, let me know, because I don't know what the hell's going on. No sale history. Looks like there's no sales history. Damn, that's crazy. One person, I think, has it listed. That one person. These are some of the advantages of, you know, if you use Keeper. Nothing in stock, 0. What would you guys do in that situation? Now, on some slides like this, is this something you take a chance on? We are in spring, summertime. Yeah, so those slides did seem pretty interesting, but nothing too crazy for me to jump on right now. I mean, that's iffy. I'm gonna let that circulate in my brain, being that there is something listed for $80. No sales history, no information at all as far as feedback, which makes it iffy, but we are in that type of year, spring and summertime, when more people are looking for slides. It might be a good buy. In the comments, let me know what you guys would do. Let's go ahead and look at the men's active. So we got men's active tops. Got 2 aisles. Let's go ahead and see. Let me jump on this side because I've seen something that seemed a little interesting. What is this? Oh, absolutely nothing. My stores have been dry like a lot of people's stores have been, which is unfortunate, man. Nothing. Skip on down here. Look at this Nike tee. Looks pretty dope. Got like the water drip on there. $14.99. Under Armour tee, $16.99. What's the retail? $25. Not the best. $16.99. $25. What is that? Columbia. Have anybody out there ever, you know, flip some Columbia merch from Ross? If you have, let me know. Okay, we got Adidas jacket, $24 for $65. That's something at least to look up. There's 2 of them. Let me check it out and see. Definitely been having that situation a lot with a lot of things for Amazon when it comes to this newer Adidas stuff. It doesn't even come up when I scan it, so we're gonna leave that too. Slide on down, see what else is here. Feels like it might be kind of dry today, y'all, but you know it be like that. And if it's too dry, like the desert, I'm just gonna have to throw in my Burlington trip too, because Burlington's next door. I don't want y'all being bored. And I like to find something to sell on the Whatnot. Once again, if you guys are on Whatnot, go ahead and follow me. Link will be in the description box below. Definitely follow me on Whatnot. I will start doing auctions as soon as next week. Boom, we've seen this jersey plenty of times. Leave that alone. I like the colorway of this Under Armour tee. However, there's no retail tag on it. $14.99 is what it's listed for. Nothing else here, man. This location is pretty dry. Jersey, nope. Okay, so we seen this jersey too, the Orlando one. See, that's okay. I'm about to say, here's the tag. See, we got 24 for 130. We are in jersey season. This might be something pretty good to take. Depends on how it ends up. Let's go ahead and scan it and see. Here we go again. Here we go again. No ranking, no reviews, no feedback. Usually that means no. $24.99 and $130. What would you guys do in this situation? Adidas Celtic green and white, $24.99 for $65. I feel like it might not come off for $60 itself. Let's go ahead and scan it and just see. See, here we go again. It's crazy because it does pop up, but it's a different color as opposed to, it's listed for the green, but the picture is burgundy. I usually stay away from stuff like that. What about you? And for me, man, I'm ungated in Champion, but a lot of this Champion merch don't have barcodes on the original tags. What the F? What's up with that? Even if I want to try to get jiggy with them, I can't. No barcode. What the hell is that about, Champion? What are y'all doing with that? All this Nike or all this Champion stuff, but I can't use it because it has no barcode. It is what it is. And just the other day, oh, wait. Well, this is Under Armour, which is cool, but I thought for some reason this was like the Rock stuff, but it's not. Let's see what the retail tag is, $14.99 for $25. Not even worth my time. Not even worth my time, bruh. So unfortunately, the only thing that we came across in this area was this jersey right here, this Orlando jersey. So this right here is under consideration. Same thing with these Champion slides. Now this right here is unfortunate because we got all these H Stormproof, these Under Armour Stormproof pants. Retail for $24.99. Retail that they want originally is $130. That's definitely a good flip. But when I scan them, they don't come up on Amazon, so we gotta leave them alone. We got some Nike baseball shorts, not good. And then we got another pair right here too, $29 for $130. I would take all four of these, but they don't scan, so we're gonna leave them. I hate when that happens. So I come over here to the shorts section and I find some interesting Adidas shorts, but these are not coming up for me. $16.99 for retail. Normally MSRP is what, $50? Now this would be something, you know, it's not good for me on Amazon, and I'm not really going to sell it on eBay, but this would be something I could offer and add to my Whatnot auctions if this is something that people will be interested in. I need to know your feedback on some of the things you guys would like, because I definitely could scoop up stuff like that too, even though I do have stuff like that available. But finding more things always adds, you know, there's nothing wrong with adding more fuel to the fire, you know what I mean? So in the kids section, the most interesting shoe is like this Lego shoe. $32, nothing to write home about. Let's go ahead and look it up for shits and giggles and see if it might be worth it. $32, you never know. Lego shoes, summertime, springtime. Does not come up on Amazon, just to see what it was. But here on eBay, here are 3 listings for them. $80 what they're asking for. Let's see if anything has sold. I doubt it. Yep, nothing sold. If you guys picked these up before, let me know. We leave them behind though. We saw these in my last trip for the grade school. There are some good comps for these, but we're gonna leave these alone. These are actually grade school. The last ones were women's. Let me know what you guys think about these. Then we got some more shell toes down here, kind of with this like camo print on it. I think these ones are actually pretty dope though. What do you guys think about these? 36 bucks. So here we go. This is more of my speed right here. We got these tie-dye slides. Now this one here does not have the reviews and everything like I said before, but I've sold plenty of these in men's sizes, so I'm pretty sure these are gonna sell. So we're gonna grab these too. If I grab these, then I must grab the other items also, because the other ones are champion slides too. So these champion slides, the other slides, and maybe that jacket. We find these again over here. Not interesting looking, but nothing interesting to pick up. Let me know what you guys think about these, and if anybody's out there flip those, give me their feedback. We seen these Pumas last time too in the last episode. Big shout out to everybody who watched the last one. Hit the like button on that video and hit the like button on this video. Champion slides are cool, dirty, and I can't take those. So far we got these right here, and then we're gonna go and get the other two items. We see these shell toes again, nothing really good with them. Just these slides right here. So let's go ahead and check out the women's athletic wear and see if we can find anything over there. Now let's check out the active tops. Anything in particular? I'm gonna zoom through this. See, some days I feel it and I know to bring or grab a cart when I come in, and some days I don't. And I didn't today because I didn't feel like it was going to be a good situation. So now let's go ahead and see. Women's active is pretty dry today. So I guess that's going to be it, folks. Nike $8.99. These don't usually do good for me. $35. We'll leave that alone. So we coming home with these champion slides and this jersey here. I think we're just going to take our chance on it. At least it is Amazon. Like I said, you know, FBA, I don't have to hold on to it. Look at the details on this thing now. So you got the Orlando patch right there. Nike or Adidas branding. Then you got the little state right there for Florida. Dope little, I like this jersey, you know what I mean? Not bad. So yeah, jersey and two slides. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about everything you found here. Once again, check out my whatnot. Link is in the description. Follow me on IG. Hit the like button on this video. Share the video. I'm about to get out of here. It's your boy Bobby Thrift. Have any thoughts or questions, go ahead and hit me in the comment section below. I'm out of here. Peace.